In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a project timeline dashboard in Notion. We'll grab a ready-made template and tailor it so you can track projects, deadlines, and milestones in a clean, visual timeline. To get started, open Notion and look to the very top left. Click the small drop-down arrow to reveal your sidebar and workspace options. This expands the navigation so you can quickly reach Notion's built-in resources, including the template gallery. From the sidebar, click on Templates. This opens Notion's template browser where you can find pre-built pages and databases created to save you time. If you're taken to the Notion marketplace, no problem. Just make sure you're in the templates section so you're only seeing full-page templates instead of apps or add-ons. In the search bar, type Project Timeline. You're looking for a template that includes a timeline or Gantt-style view, along with a database you can customize. Results may vary by region or updates, so choose the option that clearly shows a timeline preview and mentions date properties. Select the template to open its details. Here you can skim the description and preview how the database is structured. Look for properties like start date, end date, status, assignee, and tags. When it looks right, click Add. Notion will add the template to your workspace as a new page. If you're prompted to choose a location, pick the workspace or team space where you'll manage your projects. Once it's added, the page will open with a sample timeline and example items. Now, edit the template so it fits your workflow. Start by renaming the page to something clear, like Project Timeline Dashboard. Open the database properties and confirm you have a start and end date. Timelines work best when both are set. Adjust or rename other properties to match your needs, such as changing priority to impact or owner to lead. Add or remove fields so the database stays focused and easy to scan. Switch to the timeline view and set the zoom to week, month, or quarter, depending on how you plan. Use filters to hide completed items and keep the view uncluttered. Group by project, team, or status if you want parallel lanes that make handoffs and bottlenecks obvious. Drag items directly on the timeline to update dates, and create milestones by adding database entries with clear titles and fixed dates. If you regularly add similar tasks, create a new item template with default properties so everything stays consistent. That's it. Your project timeline dashboard is live. Keep dates accurate, use simple property names, and filter for what matters today. With these basics in place, your timeline will stay clear, actionable, Spanish-based, and always up to date.